Hello, my name is Karen King. IBS is a common gastrointestinal disorder that involves abdominal pain and discomfort and alternating patterns of defecation such as constipation and diarrhea. It often coincides with periods of stress and anxiety. If you are trying to avoid IBS, you must first pay attention to your diet. Avoid or limit caffeine, dairy products, or you might be able to have small amounts of plain unsweetened yogurt if it can be tolerated. Avoid alcohol, gluten-containing grains such as barley, rye, wheat, spelt, and oats, and refined sugars. One should emphasize high-fiber fruits and vegetables and work with a qualified healthcare professional to identify food allergies. And keep these thoughts in mind. I am receptive and creative. I allow a flow of energy to clear all stagnation from my gut and to introduce harmony and healing. I welcome change. I flow with all of life. I invite my emotions to express their full selves without fear or worry. I am dynamic. And now, I would like to begin a visualization that will help you calm your mind and body. Lie down and give yourself a gentle, meditative belly massage, moving clockwise from your lower right abdomen up the right side, over the expanse of the torso, under the diaphragm, and down the left side. Again, lie down and give yourself a gentle meditative belly massage, moving clockwise from your lower right abdomen up the right side, over the expanse of the torso, under the diaphragm, and down the left side. After a couple of times, rest your hands, one on top of the other, in the center of your belly region and focus on your breath for the remainder of the meditation. And see your belly like the ocean. Notice how that ocean rises gently on the inhale, filling with peace and calm, allowing a warm liquid sensation to flow throughout your entire being. First, it flows to the upper parts of your body, to your upper torso and neck, and out your head, and then down your shoulders, moving out of your fingertips. And then feel the warmth that extends to your lower body. Move it to your hips, running down your thighs, spiraling around your knees, and flowing into your feet until it can exit through your toes. In this moment, you have become the ocean, and your belly is the center of your universe. You feel secure and nourished by these beautiful, glistening waters. Sometimes the waves feel strong and forceful, and with a supportive inhale, you meet those waves with your breath and carry them through your body and out your fingertips and toes. And in a moment, you feel at rest. Put all of your attention into your belly region. Infuse honor and gratitude into your belly, thanking it for all of its many functions, like transforming information from the outside into internal information, and like filtering through that which you need. Affirm to your gut that you willingly receive what it takes in, as you trust that it provides only that for your highest self. It removes all that you do not need or that serves you incorrectly. Look at your belly with wonder for its ability to transmit information to you, emotions, creativity, sensuality. It provides you with many gifts and offerings so you can create a healing path. See any unexpressed emotions swirling within your belly and allow them to dance and spiral together. Release them into the space around you, giving them space to express themselves. Observe their movement. See if they have messages for you. Tell yourself that you will receive and remember all of their messages and use this information for your healing. Buried in the depth of your low abdomen, you find a treasure chest, an ancient one, like you might find in the bowels of the ocean. And here is your own treasure chest in the depth of your universal water. It is the chest of creativity. The moment you open it, you will find your gifts, talents, skills, and creativity. Those gifts, talents, skills, and creativity are all ready to greet you. Now open the treasure chest slowly and examine its contents. What do you find? How do you respond to its contents? For every object, look at it carefully. Look at it with a loving gaze and breathe into it your heartfelt gratitude. Listen to the guidance of each object, each one. Make a mental note of all these gifts of creativity and know that in your daily living, you will embrace each of them individually, like children, and nourish their growth in your own unique ways. You are gifted. Appreciate your gifts. And now, very slowly, close the chest of creativity and put it back into your belly. Put it in a place where you can easily find it. Bow to all of your emotions, honoring them for their information. And take a nice, deep inhale. Again, feeling your hands on your belly. See a swirl of bright red-orange energy closing this space like a sunset. And now, as this visualization ends, practice this meditation daily. Lie down or sit comfortably and give yourself a gentle, meditative belly massage, moving clockwise from your lower right abdomen, up the right side, over the expanse of the torso, under the diaphragm, and down the left side. And after a couple of times, rest your hands, one atop of the other, in the center of your belly region, and focus your breath for the remainder of the meditation. Remain in silence and allow this appreciation of all your gifts that are inside that treasure chest. And know that you're whole. Know that you are well. And that you accept the precious gift of wholeness. And so it is.